Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set a maximum order quantity limit for your Shopify products. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I am using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Product Limit section. Now just go for the Product tab and choose Product Maximum Quantity as the criteria. Now you have to give a proper title so that you can easily identify this from your set of rules. Let's say like I'm just giving the title as Set Maximum Order Quantity for particular product for a product. Let's go with this as our title and make sure that the rule is enabled. And now we have to give a maximum quantity limit. Let's say like 10. And we can just select our desired product. So let's go with this product and just add this product to the rule section. Now this product should not be exceeding 10 in number to proceed with the checkout. So, the maximum amount or the maximum number of this product can be by as the 10. Otherwise, we will be getting an error message. In case of error message, either you can go for a customized one by disabling this and enter your customized message over here in this text field. Otherwise, you can just disable this so that the users will be getting a automatic or the default error message in the checkout when they add more than 10 number of this product. And if you have any additional rule to set up, then just click on add new item and go with the rule section over here. Otherwise, just remove this part. And if you want to show your error message within the cart itself, then you can just enable this, otherwise keep it disabled. Now I have added all the details. Now let's try to save this. So let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. So I'm just adding 12 products of this particular one and I'm trying to check out. Now you can see that you cannot add more than 10 of this particular product with this product which we have added in our rule section. Now let's try to decrease the number to 7 and let's try to check out now. You can see that the error message has gone. Now users can be proceed with the checkout flow. So that's how you can set a maximum product number or amount in your Shopify checkout page or in your Shopify products. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.